Okay, I'm bleeding the calipers, so we torque these screws as we said in earlier video, and now I tighten the nipple and brake hose, and now you know, there I see that a lot of guys have a problem with bleeding the system. Mine was completely dry, and I managed to do that in 5 minutes, all thanks to this. So without any tool of anything. So if you put your hose like this will act like one-way ventil. Of course, you need to have some fluid in it. So you just do it a couple of times, the classical one, you know, you put the pressure on the lever, then release the nipple, let some of the brake fluid to come in, or you put it, you know, aside, you put some fluid in it. Then when you put hose like this on the caliper, you just release the nipple and just pump it, and the brake, the air cannot go back into the caliper, and you will simply run brake oil through your system. The same thing on the other side. For 5 minutes everything was over. Hope I helped someone. I also saw this on some YouTube video and it's fucking great.